In this video, I will show you how to set alarm on any smartwatch you have. Now over here, I have a high-fine smartwatch, but it doesn't matter the type of smartwatch you have, whether you have a Fit Pro smartwatch, M2 Wear, Fit, any smartwatch you have, the process is quite simple and similar. Now to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your smartwatch is actually connected with the smartwatch app on your phone. So in my case, I have the Harifine smartwatch over here and it is currently connected to my Harifine smartwatch app. If you do not know the app that your smartwatch actually uses, you can leave a comment under this video and I'm going to help you go about that. Now, once you have your smartwatch and your smartwatch app on your phone connected, what you want to do is to head over to the smartwatch app on your phone. Most of the smartwatches actually work with the smartwatch app on the phone, so you want to head over to the smartwatch app. In my case, it is the Harifine smartwatch app. As you can see, it is already connected. Now what you want to do is to go over to the Me tab at the bottom over here. In most smartwatches, it is actually the Devices tab. Now come over to Devices over here, and then what you want to do is to go ahead and click on Alarm Reminder. So just select that. The design might actually be different depending on the type of smartwatch and the type of smartwatch app you have. And then at the top over here, you're going to see the add an alarm option. Just go ahead and select that, and then go ahead and set the time you want the alarm on your smartwatch. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and click on the set time over here and then set the time I want. Then go ahead and click on the confirm button over here. You can as well decide whether you want it to repeat every day or every Sunday, or specific dates you want the alarm on your smartwatch. In this case, I'm going to leave it to every day, and then I'll just go ahead and click on the confirm button over here, and automatically once you click on confirm, that alarm will be set for your smartwatch. In order to make sure you don't miss your alarm, you always want to make sure that the volume and vibration settings, like under here we have vibration, you want to make sure they are all turned on, so that once the alarm time reaches, your smartwatch will start to vibrate and you would know that your alarm is actually coming up. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.